Hey everybody, it's Dan with Feldmann Imports, and today's vehicle for sale is a 2022 Mercedes-Benz GLS 450 4MATIC. Today we're going to do a quick walk-around tour, kind of show you some of the features in this vehicle. And if you're interested in learning more, you can always reach out to us on our website. Happy to answer any questions you may have or set up a test drive. You can reach us at feldmanimports.com. So this vehicle is equipped with heated and ventilated power memory seats. You've got the premium Burmester sound system upgraded speakers throughout. Driver's seat with lumbar support. Sunroof for both front and rear seats. Steering wheel. And we'll go ahead and hop inside. Mileage in this vehicle currently at 7,805. We have a push button ignition. And here we have our touchscreen display. Of course, you can control it using the touchscreen itself, just like so. You also have controls right here on the steering wheel. Easily make your adjustments there. And you can also access it here with this touchpad right on the center console. So here we have radio, navigation, and backup camera. Of course, there's a ton more you can do within the menu. I won't show you all the features, but we do have the LED ambient lighting throughout this vehicle. And that's easily customizable within the comfort and then ambient lighting setting. Lots to choose from, multi or single color effects. It's kind of a bright sunny day, so it's a little hard to see. Definitely more visible at night, but definitely pretty cool to be able to customize like that. Underneath your display, you have climate controls here. Underneath that, we have a wireless charging pad for a cell phone. We've got cup holders, the touchpad I mentioned earlier. You can also change between different sport modes, which will affect traction, gear shifting, handling, all that sort of thing. And then you've also got a few buttons here to access navigation or radio easily. Also have our center console storage. Okay, also the shifter, almost forgot. We do have adjustable chassis settings here. So I just flipped the switch and missed the notification, but it'll let you know when it's raising or lowering your vehicle. It's pretty cool. There we go. Okay, go ahead and hop out. I'll show you a few more things here. So again, power seats throughout the vehicle, Burmester sound system throughout the vehicle, rear seats here. Do one more quick peek back up front. Another look at the sunroof. Now we do have a rear climate control as well. And this vehicle does have third row seats, which are easily accessible. Push of a button here. Just easily flip that switch. The rear seats are gonna fold up so you can get back to the third row. And then of course you can reverse it using the same switch. You do have to hold it while it's reversing. But pretty quickly it'll get back to normal here. Perfect. All right. Come around to the back here. We've got our GLS 450 Mercedes-Benz and 4MATIC badging. Power opening and closing trunk. And if you need a little extra storage space, you can easily fold these seats up. There we go. Helps if I push the right button. There we go. Nice. So even from back here, you can easily fold down these seats in case you got a lot of items to haul. And push button to close the trunk. Now, if you're interested in learning more about this 2022 Mercedes-Benz GLS 450, if you'd like to learn more about the features or set up a test drive, just reach out to us on our website, feldmanimports.com.